Buenos días a todos, espero que estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre cosas importantes, no solo para el semestre entero, sino también para esta semana. Okay? So good morning, everyone. My name is Stephanie Gonzalez. I am the instructor for Español 1311, Spanish 1, Elementary Spanish 1 at Texas A&M San Antonio. You see we are on our Blackboard page. The course is listed under Elementary Spanish 1, and I wanted to go through a few important areas that you will be needing to review for the course. Okay, so the first thing we have here our Blackboard site. If you go under the section that is syllabus, you'll see some important documents. The first is our syllabus for the course, and then the textbook registration. So when you open these documents, for example, it takes you through the different pages that are listed here. You have my name, my office hours, my email address, the textbook we will be using, course description, outcomes, classroom etiquette and netiquette, since this will be an online course. So you guys can go through these different areas of what is expected for the course in terms of interacting with your colleagues, your fellow students, and myself in a virtual format. Okay, we are going to be having this class completely online. It is asynchronous. Asynchronous means that we do not meet at a specific time. Okay, so because of that, it's your responsibility to review email and Blackboard weekly for either videos or announcements that I post. You should watch the videos in their entirety. And if you have a question after watching the entire video, please email me for clarification and allow up to 24 hours during business days, which is Monday through Friday, for a response from your instructor, okay? So because we're going to be completing this course online, all assignments are going to be submitted through either Connect, which is going to be our textbook, or Blackboard, okay? No late assignments accepted. This goes through the assignments and assessments and what they're worth. The online workbook Connect activities will be worth 45% of your grade. Writing activities will be worth 10%. Quizzes, 15%. Final exam, 5%. Culture project, 10%. And interactive assignments, 15%. And we'll go through these more once I'm going to post a separate video that reviews the course outline so that you have them separate, okay? You have here the academic calendar as well as some counseling resources available to you. Okay, so here is our syllabus. Let's go back to the textbook registration. Okay, so this gives you important information to register for Connect. What you need to do is click this link so that you can register for Connect. This is me, here I am. For the fall 2020, we're going to be using Puntos de Partida, 11th edition. When you enter your email address, please make sure that you are using your Tamusa email address, okay, your Jaguar email address. That should be what you're using here. Please do not sign up under multiple emails, because then that makes it way more difficult for me trying to understand how to grade your materials, because it will be listed under multiple email addresses. Okay, so just use your Tamusa email address when you are signing up for Connect. Okay, also when you're interacting with myself. So this will take you here. This is what our Connect will look like. We're in 1311 Fall 2020. So here is the course, what we have set up so far in Connect. This is my view. Student view will look a little bit different. Okay, so the first two things that you have to complete are the Connect orientation videos. Okay, you'll watch these videos. These are considered a homework assignment, so this will be part of that 45%. You do have 2 attempts to complete it, and you get 40 points. So when we are completing this assignment, this one shouldn't be too hard. In this one, you really just have to watch these videos, and this shows you how to use Connect. The second thing I want you guys to be working on, and these are, if you notice, these are going to be due by this Sunday, are the Learn Smarts. And this is to help you understand what a Learn Smart is. I know maybe some of you guys are familiar with them, some of you might not be. I really wanted you guys to get this experience with Learn Smart, right? So it asks you here, ¿cuál es la capital de Uruguay? So in this Learn Smart, all we're focusing on are countries and capitals. And it asks you, what is the capital of Uruguay? So you have to choose, is it Caracas, Managua, Montevideo, Santiago? So you click the answer that you think is right, and then you'll say, I know it, I think so, I'm unsure, I have no idea. You can go here. So let's just say we don't know what it is. We think it's Caracas, right? We think so. Oh, it tells us, just kidding, it's not that one, it's Montevideo. So you'll go to right here in the next one, and it gives you now a different option. Instead of giving you the options, it says you have to figure out, you have to type in here the capital of El Salvador. And these are not necessarily things I believe that you know. I just want you guys to get this practice with Learn Smart and also understanding different countries and capitals. So let's say we think that it is San Juan. We're just saying we're unsure. Oh, and it tells us that was not correct. It is San Salvador. So you keep going. ¿Cuáles son las capitales de Bolivia? Okay, I think it is this one. I think so. Sí. Okay, so then you'll be going through the Learn Smart, and notice how we started with 27 items and now we have 26 left. So you have to keep going until you get 100% basically. So you should always get 100% for your Learn Smarts. So those are our first two activities. This is an introduction to our course. I just wanted to make sure that you guys have access to the syllabus, that you register for the Connect. That's the important thing for today. And make sure that by Sunday, you complete the Connect orientation videos and the Learn Smarts. And I'm going to be submitting a separate video that goes over our course outline and the course content, which I've already have started putting here. Okay, so please email me if you have any questions.